Greetings Roblox enthusiasts! If you've encountered the error code 291 that states player has been removed from the data model, don't fret. We're here to guide you through a process that could help you resolve this issue. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to report the problem to Roblox support and potentially get back in the game. Now let's get started. For step 1, we need to access Roblox report. Begin by navigating to the Roblox report portal. This is where you'll address issues and seek assistance for technical problems. Let's go ahead and click the Roblox support, which is roblox.com/support. Step 2, provide your contact information. Within the Roblox report portal, ensure you provide accurate contact information. This helps Roblox support get in touch with you regarding your issue. So they may need your username, your first name, your email address, and then that's it. For step 3, we need to explain your issue. In the reporting form, clearly state that the issue you're encountering. In this case, mention the error code 291 and explain that it states player has been removed from the data model. So let's see, what device are you having the problem on? Let's, for example, click PC, type category, technical support. So, and cannot specific experience issue. And let's say error code 291, player has been removed from the data model. So then step 4 is to submit and await response. Once you've provided all necessary information, hit the submit button. Now it's time to exercise some patience. Roblox support team will review your report and work towards resolving the issue. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can take proactive measures to address the error code 291 issue on Roblox. Remember, technology is always evolving, and so be sure to stay updated with any developments. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more gaming tips and tricks. Hit the notification bell to stay updated, and feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Now, go ahead and report the error code 291 to get back into Roblox action.